One of the most important improvements in the Supersprint is the TPU lid. Compared to the original Sprint, the TPU lid should provide a much better seal. In this video, we are going to test this. We are starting with a completely dry boat. And I'm going to sink the boat. Alright, and now let's start the stop. Now let's start the watch. And let's keep it there for a couple of minutes. Alright, so I said a couple of minutes, I left it there 33 minutes, but maybe that's enough to prove the point. So let's take a look how the inside of the boat looks like. Let me open this up. So look at the amount of water we got in 33 minutes of being completely submerged. And this is it, like a couple of teaspoons. Let me pour this out. That's it. So all I did with this hull was that I sealed it with spray paint clear coat from the outside and also from the inside, and I just used a soft TPU for the lid. I used 72.5A, but you can also use 85A as suggested by the manual. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.